Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your EV menu in the all-new 2023 Kia Niro EV. I have in front of me here a limited in snow white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we are going to head into the 10.25-inch infotainment screen. And one of the first things I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set this custom button here, the empty star button, and I'm going to make that a shortcut to our EV menu. So if I needed to get into the EV menu very quickly, I have this button now set as that function. But otherwise, if we were on the home screen like we were before, I'm going to go ahead and swipe the whole thing to the left, and then you're going to see the little EV up in the top corner. So I'm going to enter there. So this is what our EV menu looks like. So it's got a car here that has what percentage your battery is currently. It's showing that the closest EV charging station based on our map is within 1 kilometer of us currently. At the end here, it's showing what distance we have while the climate control is off. So if I went into the climate settings and went and turned that on, and let's say I turned the air conditioning on, you're going to see it made a difference here. So with the climate off, I'd get roughly 381 kilometers of range. But with it on currently at the power I have it going at, it would only be 377 kilometers. And as I increase the fan speed, for example, you'll see that will change as I'm adjusting it. So that's just letting you know what your charge is, or how much charge you'll have, or how much range you'll have based on what you're using. So I'm going to turn that off for now, and then you'll see it went and changed again. Now up in the top left corner here, there's like this little kind of pink circle. Well, if I select that, it's going to bring up the map and give you an idea of how far you can go on this current charge. So based on how much range you have, we'd be able to basically make it to anywhere within this big green circle going around where we're located currently. So when we went into this, it brought us into the map. But from what I can see, there's no way of just kind of going back into the EV menu. So that's why I went and set this as the shortcut to the EV menu. So now we're back in here. Now in the bottom left corner, we can go into next departure. And when we go in and set our departure time, that's when we can go in and schedule the charging and the climate. I am going to do a separate video on that, but you'd be able to see where your scheduled charging and what your climate is set to in this area after you have a next departure time set. You can also go into your vehicle to load option and be able to set what minimum percentage of charge you want to be able to have in order to get back to where you came from. Let's say you went camping, for example, and you didn't want to have any lower than 50% charge because you specifically know you need X amount of range to get home afterwards, or until the next time you can go and do a full good charge. So you can adjust the percentage right from there. You can also hit this little gear in the bottom right corner, and that will bring you into your specific EV settings. Now, some of these I'm going to go in a separate video, but this is just a shortcut to go into the EV settings. Now, you can also, from setup, you'll see there's EV with a little gear there. That's the same thing. So that will actually bring you into the EV settings as well. Now, one of the other options we have is I'm going to bring the map up. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the little arrow to bring what I call the bump out. And this is like just a mini EV menu in here. So it's going to show what the percentage of battery is, roughly how much range you have, and where the closest EV charging station is. And we can go ahead and just hit search stations, and it's going to bring up all the closest ones to us. And again, you can set this custom button as the EV menu shortcut if you wanted to go back into the EV menu. You can also go up to the top here where the 3 lines are and select energy information. And this is going to bring up what the current percentage of the battery is, what each of the AC and DC charging percentages are set to, what voltage the charge can be, and how long it's going to be to charge based on that voltage. So right now, if we were to go find a level 2 charger, it would only take an hour to get us up to our another 11%. And if we were using our level 1 charger that comes with the car, it would take about 6 hours and 20 minutes to get it topped up if you needed to. And you can also go to the left here and look at your electricity usage and what parts of the car are using the set amount of energy. And then you can also go in and just kind of look at some history information for specific drives if you needed to. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.